In this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you see Apple education pricing discounts. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now go ahead and type in Apple education pricing discounts and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're over here, you're gonna find discounted pricing automatically applied to eligible products like MacBooks, iPads, accessories, and sometimes Apple Care Plus. Apple's education pricing is available for college students, newly accepted students, parents buying for students, teachers, and school staff. In many reasons, Apple now requires verification through services like UniDays before you can access or purchase with the discount online. You may need a student email, school ID, or proof of enrollment, employment to verify eligibility. Apple also occasionally runs back-to-school promotions where eligible buyers can receive bonus offers like free earbuds, Apple Pencil discounts, or Apple gift cards alongside education pricing. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.